We've been a great team, but it's just not working out. He designs things from scratch every single time, and it's just too slow.
Slow? Okay, you try creating a beautiful and visually cohesive design system that embodies the soul of our company. You're not perfect yourself, you know. I've seen you spend weeks learning new JavaScript frameworks. Remember Backbone?
Your mom remembers Backbone.
Tom, Meg, my sweet peaches. This is a tale as old as time. But the beautiful thing about time is, times change. And we change with them! Meg, what if I told you that with Web Awesome, there was a way to have the best of both worlds?
What's Web Awesome?
Web Awesome is the fancy pants new name for Shoelace, the most popular open source library of web components, but now with more awesome.
So are you saying we get speed and customizability?
Tom, you can even start writing human-readable HTML again.
That's impossible!
You can have your cake and eat it too. And heck, if you want the cherry on top, we can finally do all this using just web standards.
No JavaScript frameworks required.
But works flawlessly with them all. Walk with me. Since the dawn of time, we have suffered between the two pillars of decision when building websites: customizability or speed. Do you want something custom, built from the ground up? Something that will cost you hundreds of precious hours and end up being fragile and scary to touch? Or do you want something quick and pre-built that saves you the time, but ends up looking like a basic cookie-cutter preset? Done, but not awesome. With Web Awesome, you can say goodbye to the old ways and hello to the new. Here at Web Awesome, we have the biggest and best open source library of web components in existence. You just put them anywhere and they work. Like magic. But that's not enough, you say?
I didn't say anything.
You want more?
It's already a lot.
Well, that's why we're announcing improvements to every single web component in Web Awesome. Yeah,
Please stop doing that.
we planned that. Components are now easier to theme and are fully vetted for performance and accessibility. Drop them in any website and they'll just work. And like Font Awesome before it, Web Awesome is and always will be free and open source. Thank you, but no thank you. And speaking of Font Awesome, by popular demand, it will now be the default icon set.
Did someone say Font Awesome? It's just a line of code on your site.
Whoa, now, I know that Font Awesome and Web Awesome are two great tastes that taste great together, but this is our video.
Well, color me embarrassed. Later.
But hold the credits, because we ain't done yet. If you'd like to really level up your game, I'd like to introduce you to Web Awesome Pro. The design system platform that makes it easy to ship websites, projects, and apps faster. The Web Awesome Pro, you get customizable themes that practically design themselves. And responsive layout engine for mobile, desktop, and everything in between. We'll also help you set your logo, fonts, icons, and from a single color. We'll help you generate your own fully accessible, fully unique color palette. Ooh, that's nice. So, back the Web Awesome Kickstarter and get all of this, plus a handcrafted pattern library and hosted theme documentation to copy and paste. All this means you and your team save hundreds of hours and ship way faster.
All the years we've wasted.
I could have started a family.
You still can. Actually, you probably can't.
Well, now there's a better way, a smarter way.
We'll take it.
All of it.
May you live to be 1,000 years old.
That's way too long.
It is. And our stretch goals mean that everyone wins. From more components in Web Awesome Free to more styles, themes, and components in Web Awesome Pro, you're helping make the web a better place. So please support and thank you for putting the awesome in Web Awesome.
Web Awesome, going something awesome.
It's my video. Yeah.
People have asked about me, they don't ask about you.
No, a lot of people ask
I don't even know why you're
Whatever, man.
whatever, man.
Yeah.